Hello guys, it is Shivam here. Welcome to part 3 awesome Barber booking app series where we are developing the complete app from scratch with admin panel. On this series, we'll cover setting up Firebase as a backend, user authentication, appointment scheduling, Barber profile creation. So do not forget to hit that like and subscribe button so that you won't miss out on any of the upcoming videos we upload on this series. Now let's get started. And first we'll make the UI of our login and sign up page, then we'll connect it with a Firebase. So here in the pages folder, I will create a new file name, our login dot and first we'll write import material, now stateful widget, and we'll name the widget name login, maybe small n. Okay, so here I will write again scaffold body container child column children. So in the column widget I will first write the container and I will write the decoration, and in this container I am going to create a mixture of two or more colors by using a linear gradient, and in the colors first we'll pass the our first color code, basically 0xFF. Now the color code, so let me see what the really color code will be using will, and the color code is B91635. So this is the first color and the second color. So again color 0xFF and maybe 621D, sorry, D3C. So this is our second color and the third color. So by using a linear gradient, you can mix two or more colors in the container and can create a shade of the colors according to your choice. 311937. So these are the three colors that I am going to use in the container. Now here I need to provide the height, so I will write media query dot of context dot size dot height divide by 2, sorry, divide by 2, and the width will be the media query dot of context dot size dot width. So basically the width will be using the complete width of the screen, and the height, as you can see, divide by 2, so it will use a half height of my phone device. So here in the container I will write child. Now I will write text, and in the text I will write hello and slash n so that I can change the line and the sign in text. So let me show how our app really looks while calling this login page. So let's call the login page here. Maybe we need to hot restart. So here you can see the mixture of three color on this container. Now you can see the text hello sign in the top left position, but we'll increase the font size and we'll give the styling to this text widget by using the text style. So again I will write style text style colors dot white, and the font size maybe we can write 30.0, and font weight dot bold. So this is the text we'll be using. Now let's provide the padding from the top. Edge inset dot only top 40.0, and from the left position maybe 20.0. So let's give some more height from, sorry, more padding from the top. So we'll write 50, and you can see the hello signing text, and you can also give the more padding from the left position. So if you want to increase the font size, you can increase the font size too, but if you feel it's okay, then it's your choice. Now I will write container here. Basically, this is one container and I want to overlap one container above this container, and where will show the email and the password, and the user can enter the email and password and can directly sign in the app. So you already know that whenever you want to overlap the two widgets, you can't do that in your column widget. You need to use a stack widget here. So one thing we're going to do that, we'll remove the column widget from here and we'll write stack, and in the stack widget I will write container, and we'll pass the height media query dot of context dot size dot height so that it can use a remaining height of the screen. Now we'll also write them with media query dot of context dot size dot width, and the decoration box decoration, and we'll pass the colors dot white. So here you can see the container which uses the complete height and width of the screen, but I want to show the container that I have just overlapped now. So I will use a margin and will give the margin from the top. So I will write media query. I am using media query again and again because I want that the app you are developing will be highly responsive. Now, if I will use a fixed height and the width and the margin from the top position, then the app will not responsive. And if you check the app on the multiple device, then you will surely face a problem. So to face the overflow problem, I am using the media query again and again. So here you can see the container. Now maybe we can try divide by 2. No, it's too much. 4. Yeah. Now I want to basically give the circular radius to my container from the top left position and from the top right position. So in the box decoration, I will write border radius dot only, not border, it will be border radius dot only, maybe from the top left radius dot circular 20. So here you can see the radius, I mean the circular radius, and we need to also provide from the top right position. So I will write radius dot circular 20. Now we can increase the circular radius according to the choice. Now we can use 30, or if you want to increase more, you can also increase by 40. So I think so it's look good now, and you can see that one container overlap by the other container by using the stack widget. I think so it is looking really good. So if you have any better idea or better design, you can go in your way. Now on this container, I will write child and will write column children, and here I will use a text widget again. So I will copy this text widget from here and will paste it here, and here I will write Gmail. Now here we are going to use this color, basically the first color that we have passed in the decoration box decoration of our container. So here you can see the text Gmail. Let's decrease the font size, maybe 25, and the font width W500. So let's do one thing. Let's move this text to the left side of the screen. So cross axis alignment dot start. Now from the top position, I want to give some more spacing. So I will write padding edge inset dot only top 40.0. Now don't get confused between the padding and the margin. Basically The margin is something that give you the spacing from the outside the container. Basically, I have wrote the margin from the top position, so it will give me the spacing outside the container. And if you are writing the padding and passing the space from the top position like 40.0, then it will work from inside the container. So these are the two things that you can use and can give the height and the width of the container according to the your choice. Now I want to also give the spacing from the left position, basically the padding maybe 30.0. Okay, so here I will write text field will decrease the font size to 23. Now let's provide the space from the right position to be 30.0. Yes. So we'll write decoration, input decoration, and in the hint text, I will pass the Gmail. Gmail. So here I have passed the Gmail hint. Now, if you want to show the icon here, basically a Gmail icon, you can also do by using the suffix icon. I think so, suffix, because I really got confused by using the suffix and the prefix icon. So, as I have said, I got confused. So, here it is. So, it must be a prefix. So, prefix icon. So, here you can see the mail and I will write outline. So, here you can see the icon that indicates the user have to enter the email here. Now just below this text field, I will again copy this text and the text field and will paste it here for the password. Maybe we can give from the space 50. And we'll pass the text password, and here we'll pass the hint text password and password dot outlined. So here you can see that the user can enter the mail anything like this and they can enter the password, but you can see that password is in the form of the text. Now if you have already seen my other apps videos where we have used user authentication, then you already know that to use a opt secure text to true, and by using this you can change the text form into the dotted form. So if you haven't watched my other series like chat app, food delivery app, to do app, or many other apps that we have developed like quiz app, news app, you can find the link in the description box. So you can also follow that series where we have developed the complete app from the scratch and you can add them in your app bucket list. Now, as I was talking about opt secure text, so I will write here opt secure text to true, and it frequently change my password into the dotted form. Now I will write any text in this text field. It will show me the text in the dotted form. Now after this we are going to show the forgot password. Basically the user can tap to this forgot password text and they will move to the forgot password screen. Sorry, not on the text field. Forgot password here. Forgot password. We'll also change the color to, wait, let's give this color. Yeah, decrease the font size 18. Okay, let's give the space. Now I want to move the text to the right side of the screen. So I will use a row here and main axis alignment dot end. And here it frequently moves to the left side, I mean the right side of the screen. Now what I was talking about, that when the user will tap to the forgot password text, they will move to the forgot password screen that will create in this series. Now by moving to that screen, they can enter the email and the new password they can enter by using the email that they have wrote on that page. I will tell you this method in more detail while creating the forgot password screen. Now let's move forward with the UI, and here I'm going to create the button name sign in, basically the main button of this screen. Now I will write container child text and I will write sign in. Now style text style colors dot white. Now decoration, I think so we will use this same decoration here that I have wrote, I mean the colors, and we'll paste it here. Now we'll write with media query dot of context dot size dot width, and the border radius, wait a second, not here, border radius dot circular 30. Okay, now let's center this text, so I will use center. Now we can do one thing, let's provide the padding, insert dot symmetric. But before we provide the padding, let's provide the font size, maybe 30.0. No, it's too big. 26. And font weight dot bold. Font weight dot bold. So here you can see the signing button. Now let's provide the padding, maybe the horizontal 20.0. Sorry, I again make a mistake. 10.0. Size box height 50.0. I think so this much space is okay, or we can increase the space. Let's decrease the font size 24. Yeah, it's look good. Now we also want to show the text, like if the user already have the account, sorry, if the user doesn't have the account, they can move to the sign up page to sign up and they can directly move to the app. Now here I'm going to show that text. So again in the column widget I will write text. Why to write the text again and again? So I will copy from here and will paste it here. Now I will write don't have account. Okay, so copy this color and we'll paste it here. The blue 500 and the font size maybe we can increase to 17. Yeah. Now here I will show one more text. So I'll copy this text widget again and we'll paste it here, and I will write on this color SIN sign up. We can increase to 20 and font weight dot. So here you can see the text sign up Okay, it's look good. Now I want to move this to text to the right side of the screen. So I will wrap up with a row widget and I will write main axis element dot end, and we'll do same for this. Though there are many other way to move this text to the right side of the screen, but I am making it easy because I don't want to complicate the things here by using the tough widgets or the widgets that will really difficult for the beginner to understand. That's why I'm using the row and making it simple for everyone to understand. But if you have any better idea to move the text to the right side of the screen, you can do that too. Now, I want that this text to move to the bottom of the screen. So what I'm going to do is that here is one widget named spacer. Basically, spacer is something that gives a maximum space between the two widgets and it pushes my widgets to the bottom of the screen. Now we can provide the padding from bottom position too. So I will write bottom and 20.0. No, sorry, not from here. Here. Okay, maybe 30. Yes. So it's look good, and we have created a complete UI for our signing page, and I think so. It's look really good, and there are lots of colors that we have used in this signing page, and we can also see the mixture of three color and the different shades of the color. So now let's move and we'll create the UI of our sign up page. So I will write sign up dot dart and again import material and the stateful widget name sign up. Now here scaffold. So I will don't write this complete code because our sign up page will almost look like this page. Just we need to change the text like create your account, and will also add one option to add the full name here, and Gmail and password will be remain same. We'll remove the forgot password from that page and we'll change the text to already have an account sign in. So let's move to the login page again and we'll copy this same UI and we'll paste it here and we'll do some minor changes that I have just told you now. Now I will move and we'll write create your account. COUNT, not double A, ACC. Yeah. So let's call the sign up page here so that I can show you what all things I'm doing the sign up.dart file. So here you can see the text, create your account. Now I'll copy this text field from here and we'll paste it here. So we'll just change the text to name and the icon to I will use the icon person outline and the name. I think so I'm making this video from 20 to 25 minutes and it's really strange that Siri didn't disturb at all this time while making this video, because in the last part, as you know, she disturbed us nearly 3 to 4 times and it was really irritating. Now let's don't take his name again and again, otherwise she will take just a few seconds to come back and disturb us. So here we have wrote the name, Gmail and the password. So as I have told, we'll remove the forgot password from here. So I will remove the row and this height, and we'll change the text to sign up, and this text also. So we'll write already have an account, sign in. Okay, now you can see that in just few seconds we have developed the UI for our sign up page. Now we just want to navigate in the signing page to the, I mean, sign up page to the signing page and signing to the sign up by using this text. So here I will write gesture detector, and in the on tap method I will write navigator dot push material page route context, and will push the user to the signing page. So I will write sign, oh, login, login, yes. So when I'll tap to this text, we'll move to the login page. Now we'll move to the login page here again, and we'll do the same process. And we'll move to the sign up page. Sign up page. Now here you can see that we can easily navigate to the two pages easily. So this is it from this video. On our next video, we will add the Firebase as the backend for both Android and iOS. Then I will show you how to authenticate by using the email. So until if you haven't hit that subscribe button, then I will request you to hit that subscribe button so that you won't miss out on any of the upcoming videos we upload on this channel. Until then, keep coding, keep having fun. I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.